Hello, today we will learn how to demo import of CLDoctor Directory WordPress theme. Firstly, for this, go to the Appearance, then Theme, and then click on Add New Theme to upload theme. Now click on Choose File. Here you will have to select the exact zip file of CLDoctor WordPress theme. You will get it while you will purchase it. Click on Install Now. After installing, click on Activate. Instantly, you'll get a list of plugins which will require you to begin installing plugins. Select all the plugins to install and click on Apply them. Now, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and select all of plugins again to activate them. Now click on Apply. After activating, go back to your dashboard, then Plugins to Installed Plugins. Now find RT Demo Importer and click on Install Demo Content. Your demo installation is done. You will get 4 different kinds of home page here. Install any one from these given home pages. Don't worry, it will take few times to complete your installing. After finishing your installation, you will get an organized, clean, and stunning beautiful CLDoctor Directory WordPress theme. This Doctor Directory WordPress theme provides 4 different kinds of home pages into grid and list view format. With this theme, seller can promote their ads in multiple ways like feature, top, and bump up ad, and also can allow the membership option to earn money. Hope you can now easily import your desired CLDoctor Directory WordPress theme. Thank you for watching.